environmental awareness. The school has decided to create environmental awareness areas, and every class would have the opportunity to contribute to these areas. Now, I know there's extra workload, but we all should know that the environment is very, very important. Also, it is very important to be aware of these issues. And also, before it is too late, we need to take action. Therefore, I'll give you an example: air pollution. The air that we breathe in now is still very fresh, comparatively. But if we continue to be ignorant about the things that can cause air pollution, our future will be very hazy, literally. Therefore, the purpose of the environmental awareness area is to create the awareness before it is too late. So that being said, we need to do three things. Firstly, we need to identify an environmental issue. Secondly, we need to research on the issue. And finally, we need to think of how we are going to present the issue in the area. There are many environmental issues. For example, water conservation, deforestation, global warming, and even dolphins or other endangered species. You could be passionate about an issue. You could be passionate about dolphins, and that you do not want to see them being wiped off the face of Earth, for example. Secondly, after you have identified the issue, we need to do some research on it. We need to find out why it is an issue, how we can better manage the issue, and what would happen if we do not manage the issue at all. For example, on the issue of water conservation, we know that it is very important, particularly in Singapore, because it is in short supply in Singapore. So we need to do some research on how we can conserve water. And also we need to think of what would happen if we do not try to conserve water. And finally, we need to present the issue. We can do it in the form of a poster, or we can create models. For example, on the issue of water conservation, we can create a model of the Earth. How would it look like if there is no more water on Earth? Can it still sustain life? So that being said, let's start identifying the issue. Talk to the person beside you. Ask them what their passion is. Let's start.
Yes. I have a question. All of us are interested in different things. How do we come to a consensus as a class?
So now we just ask about the passion, and later we'll consolidate together and we'll do a democratic vote about it. Okay? Everyone good? Clear about that? Okay, let's start.